committed to providing the economic environment and resources necessary to ensure that the people of Jamaica grow and prosper.
We are very happy at the PSOJ with the place that we are at, where we're coming from, and where we look like we're going to.
Marshalling the country to consistent economic growth, the lowest unemployment rate in its history, and offering business development grants for individuals to boost productivity can be considered some of the major highlights for the Ministry of Finance and the Public Service in 2023. Jamaica recorded consistent economic growth across all quarters in the 2023 calendar year.
That's phenomenal. That's just good management, good oversight, and positive governance that we can all look to and say, listen, this is something that we should aspire to, even in our own lives, in our own budgets.
To continue to spur economic growth in 2023, development grants were offered to small and medium-sized entities to grow businesses.
Through the Biggie program that we have worked on with the IDB and with the IE and with the European Union, there's an innovation grant fund, a patent grant fund, 3 incubators, 2 accelerators. There's never been a better time to be an ambitious entrepreneur.
There are quite a number of businesses who have grown. We've seen growth rates of 50-60%, as high as that. In some instances, people have been able to continue business, so they haven't gone out of business.
The country's unemployment rate was reduced to its lowest ever in Jamaica's history at 4.5%.
The levels of unemployment are also lower today than the historic lows achieved immediately prior to the COVID-19 pandemic. It has never been lower than the 6% achieved in April of 2022.
Jamaicans again did not contend with any new taxes to fund the budget. It was instead announced that the more than $1 trillion budget would be financed by increasing the efficiency of existing revenue measures.
This represents the 6th consecutive budget speech in which we have not introduced any new taxes of the people of Jamaica.
I think it's quite telling when you look at the fact that we have not had any new taxes for numerous years, and we have collected more tax than we ever have. It's because we have recognized that if we lower the rates and make it easier for tax to be collected, we'll collect more.
Adjustments were later made to the 2022-2023 budget, and $10.1 billion was added for payments to public sector workers under the Compensation Restructuring Program. The restructuring exercise overhauled the system of salaries and other emoluments in the public service to make it more equitable.
The 4th supplementary estimates, therefore, makes provision, Madam Speaker, for the implementation across the entire public sector for the full implementation of the first year of the compensation restructuring.
Beneficiaries of the Program of Advancement through Health and Education PATH no longer needed guarantors to apply to the Students' Loan Bureau SLB.
And in addition, we'll waive the application fee for students from PATH households.
The SLB also provided grant support to students on the program.
For the 2023-24 year, students from PATH households or from households with income less than 1.5 million, the Student Loan Bureau plans to make an additional 4,200 non-refundable grants of $60,000. We believe in Jamaica. We believe and support the people of Jamaica.